The moment junk food hits your mouth, your brain reacts instantly. Junk food triggers a massive dopamine spike, way more than normal food ever does. That huge dopamine spike shuts down your self-control, making you want even more junk food.
The sugar from junk food floods your bloodstream, and your brain feels the hit instantly. Your immune system overreacts, sparking inflammation right inside your brain. Too much junk food interferes with memory. Your brain literally slows down. Your stress system fires up immediately, even if you don't notice it.
After the spike comes the crash, and your mood drops hard. Your brain starts craving another hit, and another, and another.
And all of this happens in just 5 minutes.
Your brain's blood vessels struggle to handle the sudden sugar surge.
After the spike, your brain's energy crashes. Your focus drops fast. It becomes harder to think clearly. Your brain becomes impulsive, pushing you to eat even more junk. Brain fog sets in. Everything becomes harder to process.
Your mood becomes unstable. Irritation rises fast.
And before you know it, your reward system gets hijacked. Your brain's electrical signals become unstable.
And the cycle keeps repeating, again and again.
All of this from just a few minutes of junk food. If you want more animations like this, subscribe and hit the like button. And tell me which organ I should explain next.